The New York Beauty quilt pattern has a complex history, which seems to suit its complex-looking design. This block design is classic, considered a challenge for quilters to create with a combination of both curved and pointed pieces. But AccuQuilt is making it easier for quilters to create this stunning block with the Go New York Beauty 9-inch finished block on board die. Now you can cut each of the 7 different shapes quickly and accurately, leaving you to simply stitch away. The die board features screen printed letters, and the pieces themselves have both specialized dog-eared corners and notches cut for you to make matching your pieces as simple as can be. This innovative die comes on a 10 by 24 inch die board, ready to cut with the Go and Go Big in just one pass through the cutter, or your Go Bolt fabric cutter in 2 passes. Next, lay out your pieces, taking care to follow the directions on the packaging or in the free downloadable block assembly directions found on AccuQuilt.com. Taking care to match and pin the notches will help you sew picture-perfect blocks every single time. Quilters will quickly master this block and be ready to create stunning projects like throw quilts, pillow covers, and more. Have fun experimenting with color and placement to create different looks, and be ready to receive compliments from everyone who sees your creations. At AccuQuilt, we're always here to help you shine as you cut time and quilt more.